Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to add a comment on your Google Documents, making collaboration and feedback a breeze. So first things first, open up your Google Docs document and select or highlight a specific text you want to add a comment on. It could be a sentence, a paragraph, or even just a single word. So I will show you. We select first this one, for example, and then you see this plus sign inside the box or a message. Please click that. This will allow you to add comment to that specific paragraph. Now please here type here the comment that you want to add. For example, let's say, please rephrase this part. So once you're done, all you had to do is to click on comment. Now anytime you or your collaborators want to see the comments, simply click on the comment icon on the right side of the document. You'll see a list of all the comments, making it easy to keep track of the conversation. And that's it. You now know how to effortlessly add comments to your Google document for smooth collaboration. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to add a comment on Google Docs. See you on my next video.